today I'm going to show you how to create custom labels using my favorite machine, the Xyron Creative Station with laminate refill. It is a cold laminate, and so that means you don't have to heat anything up. It will just laminate right now like this. So I'm going to show you how to use this machine to make your own custom labels that you can use everywhere around your house to get you organized. Okay, let's get started. I created a whole bunch of picture labels to go in the playroom. So you can click the link below and it will take you to get these very free picture labels that are perfect for playrooms. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do, you cut out each piece by itself. Then we're going to take the Creative Station. Now it usually doesn't come with the refill in it, so all you do is just slide it in. Then on the back side, you're just going to pull the laminate through so it sticks out a little bit, like that. Close it and make sure it snaps. Now, we'll run this through, so you just turn, and it comes out the other side, and then cut it. Now you have, it's laminated, that's it, that's all you have to do. One thing I like to do is around the edges is just push down, just to make sure it's like extra secure. Then take your scissors and cut it out. Now you can get close to it, you can leave some room. I usually like to leave a little bit of room just in case, especially for kids things, because they do like to pick things apart. So now you have a laminated label. I have made, I can't even count actually, how many labels I've made using this machine. It is one of my most important tools in my organizing bag because I can create labels on the fly, run them through, and then they're laminated, and then my clients have them immediately, which is why I love this machine. I don't have to wait for things to heat up. I don't have to worry about kids or animals around the hot machine. And so that is how I use it to create custom labels. You can make the labels on your computer. You can hand write the labels. I have used stamps and like my cutting machine to create super fun labels that are perfect, and then I just run it through so that it's all laminated, and I get some amazing labels that look really expensive, but I did it really cheap, and it was all thanks to this machine. So for more information on how I make my own labels, different label ideas, and these free printables, click the link below and it will take you right to my blog where I am sharing all of label goodness. That's all laminated labels, my favorite. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.